How to download and install CapCut on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download and install CapCut on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is head over to your App Store. After you're on your App Store, simply head over to the search bar that is on the bottom right and then tap on the search icon. So now tap on CapCut. Type in CapCut, and after you type in CapCut, you should find the CapCut option here. Tap on it to open it up. Now, in case that you do not find the CapCut option, what you can do is you can head over to the Safari option and search for CapCut. Search for CapCut in Safari browser, and there you should find CapCut. Now, after you find CapCut, you will see the App Store option here. Tap on it to open it up there, and ultimately you'll be on the CapCut section. Now what you'll do here is there should be an install button. Simply tap on install button and it should start downloading. As you can see right here, it's starting to download in mine. And yeah, that is basically how you download and install CapCut. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.